Hey guys, welcome back to
Baking with Babies. Eating the babies.
What?
I was looking in Joe's. She was also hungry looking at this.
Oh, okay.
But did you use raspberries in the brownies last?
This is a different type of brownie. So today we are gonna bake cheesecake brownies. They're gonna be so good. I promise you'll like them. She's like, I promise you guys will like them.
I don't like raspberries.
Okay, let's just make the brownies and then see what you feel like after. What you're gonna do is preheat your oven to 150 degrees Celsius. You also want to prepare a square baking tin with parchment paper. Please don't cough all over the ingredients. Thanks. And then all I did was I melted, this is really hot. All I did was I melted 200 grams of dark chocolate. I just did it in a glass bowl over a saucepan of water on the hob, and it's all melted now, so that's the chocolate. I'm gonna set that to one side.
All I'm here for is to lick.
We're gonna add in
Sugar.
the caster sugar. Oh, that's not.
all things.
Put it in.
That's what I am.
Yeah, caster sugar.
Oh,
Put it all in. Andrea, can you add the butter, please? This is 200 grams of unsalted butter. Now we're gonna mix
Can
that.
I do something?
Yes, you can add the next thing.
Can I do something?
Well, we're gonna add the eggs next.
Can I do something? Cover your eggs.
To that, we're gonna add in, Amelia, do you wanna add the next one? This is 4 eggs that have been beaten.
That tastes really good on its own.
Does it?
Yeah.
This?
No, that.
Oh, okay, you wanna add this?
Oh,
No, this is her turn. 4 eggs. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
She 5 of them.
No, that was 4. Also, I'm wearing white jeans and no apron.
Are you gonna get screwed?
Yeah. No. We'll do that later, okay? Let's leave the raspberries. Now we're gonna add in 110 grams of plain flour. Do you wanna do this, Lucy?
Yes.
Okay, let me move this so that you can actually reach. Put it in. Good girl, all of it.
They're vegetables, you wouldn't
Yes.
like them, Andrea.
They're not vegetables. We're gonna need a spatula, so hold on.
I'll go get a spatula.
Okay, you go get one. Just one for now.
Then I'll make the spatula.
All right, this is 200 grams of dark chocolate that's been melted.
Hot.
It's actually not hot anymore.
Hot.
That's not a spatula.
Yeah. It's a good gingerbread. You guys. I'm not pushing you. I gave Andrea the spatula.
Eduardo, what are you doing?
I gave Andrea the spoon.
Okay. This is so much fun.
Why do you have mozzarella? I want to lick some.
That is not mozzarella.
It's kind of yucky.
Is it? That's the dark chocolate.
Yeah.
When it's mixed into the sugar and the eggs and the butter, it'll be nicer, I promise. Okay? Let's let Andrea have a bit.
And then it's me, and then, no, then it's Celestia, then it's me, and then it's me. Can I have a go? I have one go.
You just bit it.
Me.
No.
Don't twist the back
Aw, thanks, Amelia. No!
bit. Imagine. He's like,
I imagined it. I'm going to put this into the brownie tin, okay? How yummy does this look, guys?
I just want to lick it. I'm a brownie. Yummy. Tasty. I lick myself.
Alright, do you guys want to get some spatulas and you can lick the bowl? Please. Okay. I am so scared of you, Andrea. No, this isn't for the tin. This is for the bowl. Right.
Ooh, I know.
The spatula is for the bowl. That's not yours.
Bye.
Goodbye. Now we're gonna make the cheesecake topping. So we've got 400 grams of cream cheese. Can you put that in for me, please?
Cream cheese? Cream cheese?
You're right there, Eduardo.
I'm going to burn it full. It's like different than what full.
Thank you. And then 150 grams of caster sugar. Well, let's let Andrea do. Andrea, are you coming back? Let's just do this. Okay, we're gonna keep them together.
Can I put something in?
Yeah, you can do that. Amelia, can you add in the eggs? This is 2 eggs that will be in. Good girl.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's just 2. And you add in the vanilla.
Okay.
You ready? So we're gonna add in, wait. Put it in here. And now? Now we're gonna put the cream cheese topping
Can I put the eggs
on
in?
top.
Can I put the eggs in? Who looks like the egg?
We're past that stage, Eduardo. Do you guys want to put the raspberries on top?
Yes.
Come on then.
Yes.
Just plop them anywhere.
Plop them.
Try to do it a little bit evenly.
Daddy finger, where are you?
Can you put it on the cake, on the cheesecake?
Do you smell like cheesecake?
Oh, Andrea! You just put that deep.
Very detail.
Okay, let's sprinkle them, guys, so they're not all just clumped together. Now we're gonna bake this in the oven for 45 minutes and we'll come back when it's done. Ready for me?
Oh, oven.
Thank you. Brownies are ready. Do you guys want to see?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
I can see
Is that chocolate? Do you want to try one?
Yeah.
This one? Okay. That can be yours. Do you want this one?
I want that one.
No, this is your one. This is your one.
Do
you want to try, Andrea? No, have it from this one. Look. Do you like it? Do you want some? Here, try it. It's brownie. Do you like it, guys? You like it? Is it yummy?
Can I have some more?
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Let us know if you make your own. Tag us on either Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, wherever you are, and let us know if you make them. Stop touching that. Take this one. This one's already been like feasted on. There you go. Let us know if you make them. Tag us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, wherever you are. Please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe for more. We upload Mondays and Wednesdays. And we will see you in our next one. Say bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.